Hello everyone, welcome back to Journal Output. It's me Zainab Altaf, and today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can unlock your iPhone iCloud with a 100% working method with the new bypass tool, which is going to support the new latest version of iOS like 14.6 and 14.7. This is going to support the MEID and GSM both iPhone, and this tool is for Windows. As you can see, this is my iPhone. It is an activation lock. It is iPhone 6s having iOS 14.6, but this tool is also going to support iOS 14.7. So I'm going to unlock it and going to show you how also you can do it. So first of all, we have to run the checkpoint, so let's boot to it. So we are in it, and first of all I'm going to connect my iPhone to the PC. As you can see, it is connected, but it is saying like this. For that you have to go in options, and here you have to click on the first option, allow untested iOS versions. So let's click on it, and after that we are going to click on back right here, and now we're going to click on start. After that we have to click on OK, and now we are going to click on next right here. Now as you can see, my iPhone is entering into recovery mode. So as you can see, my iPhone is in recovery mode, and when I click on start, it is going to instruct me to put my phone into GFE mode according to my device. So when you click on start, it is going to instruct you to put your phone into GFE mode according to your different device. So let's click on start and put our phone into GFE mode. So now it is booting. Let's wait. So as you can see, it is all done, and now we will boot to Windows to run the tool, and I'll show you my iPhone is in activation lock. As you can see, my iPhone is in activation lock. So now we are in the Windows, and first of all we have to disable the antivirus. Let's do it first. Manage settings, off, and yes. So as you can see, the antivirus is disabled, and here's the tool. The link for the tool is in down description box. You can download it from right there. I'm going to first extract the tool, and here's the extracted one folder. We are going to open the tool from right here. So let's open the folder, and as you can see, here's the tool. We are going to open it, run as administrator, and click on yes. So we are going to click on OK now. And as you can see, here's the tool. I'm going to connect my iPhone to the Windows. And as you can see that my iPhone is not getting connected to this tool. Don't worry about that. You just have to close the tool first, and then you have to open the 3U tools. So once the 3U tools is open, you just have to minimize it and again open the same tool. So let's again open the same tool and click on OK. And now this time you can see my iPhone is connected. Here's the all information present. You can also see the information about the prices on the display, and you can also see the iOS versions and the iPhones which are supported by this tool. You can also see the all information on the display. Here you can see there are two options for GSM and MEID. As you can see, my iPhone is MEID, so I'm going to click on MEID bypass, no network. So as my iPhone is MEID, so SIM is not going to get fixed, but everything is going to work. So I'm going to click on OK. If you have GSM, you have to click on GSM bypass, and now we have to wait. Until you wait, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive each kind of new update on time. As you can see, my device is successfully activated, and I hope that you have seen all the prices and the iOS and the iPhone supported. So now your iPhone is going to behave like this. You don't have to disconnect your iPhone. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to get open, so you have to wait for it. You don't have to disconnect your iPhone. As you can see, now my iPhone is in hello screen. So now I'll do some setups and going to show you that my iPhone is successfully activated. As you can see, my iPhone is successfully unlocked and activated. Here I'm again showing you that which iOS versions and the iPhones are supported by this tool for GSM and MEID, and GSM is going to get unlocked with SIM call fix also. So as you can see, I'm successfully on the home screen and everything is working in it except SIM. I'm in settings and I'm going to show you my iOS versions and the iPhone that I have. As you can see, I have iOS 14.6 as I told you before, and I have iPhone 6s. So as you can see here, everything is working. Now I will sign into my iCloud account. I'm going to show you that iCloud account is also fixed. So let me put my Apple ID. So as you can see here, I'm signed into my iCloud account. Here you can see the name. It is successfully working and it is 100% fixed. So now App Store is also fixed, and notification is also fixed, and Siri is also fixed. So here I'm going to power it off my iPhone. I'm going to show you that on off is also fixed. I'm not showing you notification or other things because the video would be so longer. So as you can see, I've turned it on. And as you can see, on off is fixed. Thank you for watching the video.